Hello guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another extremely red fire alarm video with Dale Susier to Man. Before we get started with the video today, I want to show you some work I did here in my bedroom. Right over here, I put some nice soda labels just to make my bedroom look a little nicer. And I used my stapler. I stapled all this on the wall. Up here I have a nice Mountain Dew Code Red. I'll put some more Mountain Dew labels up here soon. I got my Gentex Commander 3 right here. The strobe is set to 110 candela, but you're going to have to find out what tone it's going to be on for this video. If I can't talk right, I'm very sorry. So here's my soda label area. I used to have sodas on my dresser here, but Jonathan took them all. So now I just have soda labels on my wall. I have more to come here very soon. I'll be putting some more labels in this area. So yeah, over in this area I'll have some more Mountain Dew labels up here. I'll have some more labels down here. And right here, trust Midas for your next oil change. Tires, brakes, oil, everything. Everything auto. And don't forget this. If you ever hear that sound in your home, that means that there is severe weather in your area and you need to immediately take action. You are about to hear this go off and you are about to see it flash. It's going to have a very unique tone to it. It's not going to sound the same as it did yesterday, and it's on low volume. Well guys, you're about to find out what tone it's going to be on. You can see that nice red strobe action. Here it goes. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that fire alarm test. Hopefully you like the tone that it's on. Hopefully you like the updates here on my bedroom. If not, too bad, because this is how I like to keep it. But yeah, I expect more soda labels to come here. In fact, nice. So let me show you how I put these on my wall with my stapler. So you just put it where you like to put it, like this. Place it really nicely, make sure it's nice and straight because we don't want this to be crooked. That's not going to be good. Then you take the stapler and you just staple it on. Perfect. Look at that. Really nice, huh? That is really nice. And we're not done yet. Let me steal a label off of my Sprite Zero and put it on my wall. Just like that. We can put it on my wall now. Isn't that so cool? So cool how I can just steal labels off of my sodas and place them on my wall. Isn't that magnificent? Now hopefully these are things that Jonathan can't take away from me. Because that would not be allowed at all. That would not be good. We can't let that happen, can we? No, we like my nice invention here. I know you guys like it. I know you do. You're probably telling me in the live chat right now, Dale, this is so cool. And you know something? I agree with you. Look how red that looks. Look how freaking red this stuff is right here. Don't you love this? Don't you love how amazing that looks? Don't you just love that? That is so cool, isn't it? We can also put small soda labels up too. For example, take this ginger ale label, for example. We can just hang this up as well. This one's going to go at the very bottom. I hope you can see it. Probably not. Oh well. My stapler fell on me here. Alright. Let me show you that right now. You probably... Oh, you can see it. See? There it is. Isn't that so cool, guys? Don't you love that? Don't you love this? Look how nice it looks. You know, we're going to turn the fire alarm on one more time for you guys. Let's do it. Who gives a shit what Don thinks, right? Well, guys, I really hope you enjoyed that. You know what else I hope you enjoy? The rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Do not let anybody stop you from doing what you want to do. Look, I do my very best to not let Don get to me. You know, he doesn't like my loud alarm, but whatever. I don't care. It's my alarm, it's not his, so you know something, I have a right to test it. I can test it whenever I want, you know? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you like my nice soda label area here. Hopefully you like that. Hopefully you liked the fire alarm test. And tomorrow we might do a fire alarm test again. But once again, it might be on a different tone. Maybe I'll do a fire alarm test tomorrow. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But I'll make some kind of red video tomorrow. You guys have to find out what it'll be. Maybe I'll do some vacuuming. We haven't done vacuuming in a little while, so maybe we'll get to that again. Maybe we'll do another science experiment.